So we need to handle errors, and in this case it says that the exception is the instance of a level-based family cannot be created without a valid reference level. That means that we are trying to create an object of a column that needs a reference level, but we do not have it. So because that one is not working, what we should do is we should copy this one and see if there is another one that has a level. So we've seen that this is face, line, line, element, reference, origin symbol. This one is origin, this one is location. This is curve, symbol, level, face, reference, location, location, family, host. This one is it. It's location, family, level, and the structural type. So what we can do from here is that we are missing the levels. We want to know where are the levels, and for doing that we need to get all levels of model. So what we can do is we're going to go for the extraction. Our extraction methods we can use similarly to this, but the thing we're going to be calling it's the level itself. So we're going to call it, we want to have the list of level because we want to read the level, get all levels, and we can add from model. And since we already know the category, we can just get rid of this one. So the levels themselves are just a different type of category. It's called build building category dot ost underscore levels. We need them to be where element is not element type. So that will roll for all the levels. And then once we have it, we should change the list because the list is element type. We need to change it to level so that we are calling a level. Level. Now, once we have it, it's an element ID being picked from upon. Then we want this one to transform as level. So for doing that, we can call it as level. Level is as well an element, but the difference is that those two are having different components and different properties. So we call it here all levels. All levels. Now that we have these ones get extracted, we can call it from here. Just need to save. And we want to have list level or levels. It's going to be the extraction dot get all levels from model document. And within that level, we can just add it here to be all levels 0. And that's going to be calling our level to work. So we just save all, build, and we can debug. Yeah, that's it. We have now our family being created on 0, 0 within the level 1. If we do a couple of changes to be level 1, to be the first option it found, if I delete it, now we can have that it's been created within that on level 2 and so on.